Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a science experiment with indoor s'mores. So what you're going to need is honey graham crackers or any other kind of graham crackers. You can use Hershey Kisses or you can use Hershey bars, doesn't matter, any kind of chocolate. And then you're going to be using large marshmallows. All right, so we have already started setting up some of our s'mores. So we've already put our graham cracker, we have halved some of our marshmallows, and then we have our chocolate kisses. All right, and so what we learned is after we half the marshmallows to put the sticky side up, that way our kisses stick to them much better. All right, and then we have already put our oven preheating to 400 degrees. So we're gonna wait for that and stick these in the oven. So kiddos, what do you think is gonna happen today to our chocolate and to our marshmallows? All right, so now that they're all done, we are gonna pop them in the 400 degree preheated oven for 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so after about 3 to 5 minutes, and parents just watch these really close, ours took a little bit longer. You're gonna go ahead and take them out of the oven. All right, friends, so what happened to our marshmallows? Did they change at all? What about our chocolate? All right, and then of course, once these cool down, you are free to enjoy. Send us a lot of videos or pictures of you creating and baking and eating them. Thank you for joining us, friends. We'll see you soon.